with Shay, and I'm here for my Walmart what? Walmart midweek haul for you guys. It's so freaking hot right now. I ain't even gonna front, y'all. It's hot. It's gotta be 85 in SoCal. But listen, I am saving with Shay. We're here for our midweek. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face with the bang action and the pow. Definitely take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So listen, so I need 15 offers, I want to say, for my midweek. We also have the larger bonus that I'll be tracking for as well. My camera is still crooked. I've been sitting here fumbling with it and it's still crooked. Dang, that person that I have parked right next to you, I cannot stand that. I can see them in my peripheral vision, and I'm just like, really, dude? Really, bro? Really, bro? You put the park right next to me, and I know you there, and you see me, and I see you? Anyway, so I'm gonna try to make this quick. Larger bonus, I think I needed like 55 for 10 for that. I think I might just be able to hit that. I'm excited about that. I think I'm gonna probably hit that. It's good for another, I want to say 5 or 6 days, I want to say. So I'll probably be able to hit that next weekend, or this weekend actually. I'll be able to hit it this weekend, which is really, really cool. Now, there are some things I'm going to try today, because you know your girl, I like to try stuff. And so with the Dollar Tree, the Aleve, that did not work. The coloring books here at Walmart, that did not work. And I'm not even going to try to put no ticket in because it's not the right item. All right. I would like it just to go through, but it's, you know. And so I will be trying some things today. I did do a deal at Food for Less as well. I was debating if I wanted to do the Dollar Tree Tic Tacs again, but I probably won't even bother. But that is still working, or it was in my last video was working. And so hopefully we try some things. Hopefully they all work out, which would be awesome. Even if they don't work out, it's still not a bad deal. But I will really, really want it to work out. So with that being said, we're going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome stuff we can grab today. If you want to see your girl and you, keep on watching.
All right, guys. So this first deal is on the Kellogg's Rice Krispie treats. I was looking for the regular ones, but all I see is the rainbow ones in the 8 count. But anyways, so they are on rollback for $2. For this, I'm going to try and see if it works out. I really wanted the original ones, but hey. We're going to grab a total of 4 of these. Again, priced at $2. We'll pay 8 out of pocket. Getting back 3 on checkoff 51. Hopefully, we'll get back 3 on Swagbucks as well. Well, if we don't get back the 3 on Swagbucks, it would make them $125 each, which is still not a bad deal, but not the price that I want to pay. You know what I'm saying? But if we get back the extra 3 on Swagbucks, then it'll make them 50 cents a box, which is even better. And so I'm gonna do that deal first. Hopefully it works out. I'll let you guys know if it works out. Now for that, you could also grab like the Pop-Tarts. There's other items that are a part of that you could try. I was going for the cheapest item, which was the Rice Krispies. So all right, the next thing that we're gonna try is the Pringles. These are priced at $2. And so I'm gonna grab 4 of them, paying $8 out of pocket. If we well, I did get back the $3 on checkout 51 already. Let me say that. I did this deal early this morning. And so it makes them $125 each, which for me is not bad because Josiah loves him some Pringles. I actually like the flaming ones, but I don't think they have them anymore. They have these. What is rojo in Spanish? Is that beans? I feel like it's beans, but I'm pretty sure it's not. But anyway, so listen. So I'm going to grab a total of 4 of these priced at $2. I'll pay $8 out of pocket. Again, I did get back the $3 on checkoff 51. Makes them $125 each. Now, if I get back the $3 on Swags, which is pending, it'll make them 50 cents per can, which is definitely not bad. Now, I did see at Food for Less, they have it's like a bonus can, and they are $2, so you could try to grab them there as well. This basket is annoying me. So listen, this deal popped up on Flavor Wiki. With the alcohol ones, if it asks you anything about alcohol, just know it's gonna be an alcohol survey. So if you don't drink alcohol, then obviously you're gonna be rejected, declined. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. So we're gonna grab the Simply Spike Lemonade, which is this one here. It's a 12 pack. They're priced at $19.48. Getting back 27 through Flavor Wiki, and then $7 on Ibotta makes it a $14.52 moneymaker, which is really awesome. Now this survey, it's gonna last 7 days, and you have to try some every day. The other thing that you have to grab is the Mike's Hard. This one right here. Now, I was hoping to find the one in the cans, but I believe you can get the one in the bottles as well. As long as it's the same flavors, which these are the same flavors here. So you'll pay $17.94. Getting back 27 makes it a $9.06 moneymaker. I believe the cans, which I don't even see the cans, but I believe the cans are priced at like $19.94 or something like that, if you can find the cans. But I think I'm gonna I did the Simply Spike this morning. Then I figured I would come back and grab this one. And so, yeah, not a bad deal. So next up is the stem. It is priced at $14.48. I wanted to try and see if this was going to work out for me. I went ahead and submitted to Checkout 51 first for $10. That one went through in like minutes. I also submitted that to Swagbucks as well for $10. It took a couple of days, but it did go through, making it a $5.52 moneymaker. Now, I did grab a second one like yesterday, but it was already gone by the time I checked out. And so listen, we're going to grab this deal again. I just got the best compliment right now. I was so flattered. But listen. This is on the Arm & Hammer. I went ahead and decided to grab this deal again. Price at $5.44. I'm getting back $3.50 on Ibotta, makes it $1.94. I went ahead and maxed it out again and grabbed 3. And so, yeah, not a bad deal. Now, I also went ahead and grabbed the Snuggles again as well, priced at $1.97. I did have a $2 hang tag that adjusts down to $1.97, making that free. And then I did get back the 50 cents on Ibotta, making that a 50-cent moneymaker, which is really awesome as well. I realized that I still had the Airwick Advanced single on, what was it on? I just drew a whole complete blank on Walmart Rewards. So I went ahead and grabbed it again. I grabbed 3 of them. I'm getting back $4 on Ibotta, getting $4 on Walmart Rewards, made it a 2-cent moneymaker, limit of 3. So I went ahead and maxed that out. So they don't have any of the Extreme right now. I think I may have grabbed the last 2 yesterday when I was here. Extreme is priced at $6.78. Now we do have another $3 coupon on coupons.com. It scans perfectly fine. I think I went to self-checkout too. So with this coupon, that's going to bring your total down to paying $3.78, and then you'll get back 3 on Ibotta, making that only 78 cents with a limit of 2. It's kind of busy down there, so I'm not going to go down there for the Skintimate, but the Skintimate is priced at $6.27. $3 coupon makes that total $3.27. Getting back 3 makes it 27 cents with a limit of 3. All right, so they don't have any of the bars. You know what they look like. The Shea Moisture cleansing bars are priced at $5.98. Getting back 4 on Ibotta. I also do Walmart Rewards as well, and $1.50 on Fetch Reward, making them only 48 cents. All right, next up is CoverGirl. I did this on Ibotta. I don't think it's available anymore. It hasn't reset again for me since the last time I did it, which was, I think, 2 days ago. On rollback for $2.88 for the pencils. I went ahead and grabbed a total of 5 of them. I went ahead and just maxed it out. Like, why not, right? And then got back 15 on Ibotta. And then I got back $3 on Checkout 51 and 3 on Swagbucks. I made all 5 free plus a $9.60 moneymaker. Okay, I went ahead and grabbed the face product as well. I grabbed one at $6.78, getting back 3 on Ibotta, 3 on Checkout 51, and 3 on Swagbucks, making it a $2.22 moneymaker. I went ahead and just grabbed 1. I was going to grab more and use the buy piece, but I didn't even bother, to be honest. And so, yeah, right, guys. So, this is the last deal. It's super crowded over there. It's so crowded in here right now, y'all. It's like, it's noon. So, this is the last deal. It's on the Vital Fusion. I'll post up what I'll do this. I want to say maybe it was Savannah. I did this deal like 2 days ago, maybe 3 at the most, but I think I'm gonna do it again though. And so it's on the Vital Fusion. It's on the B12. Now the online price for these are $4.73. I did have to have them price adjusted, which they did. So I paid $9.46. I got back 3 on Checkout 51 and 6 on Swagbucks. So it makes them 23 cents each. Now, what I think I'm going to do is try to see if I can price match them again. I don't know if this store is gonna price match them though. It's too much in here. It's my anxiety. So if I grab 2 of these at $6.58 and use one of these $3 coupons, I should pay $10.16 out of pocket. Hopefully I get back the 3 on checkout 51 for the other one, and then the 6 on inbox dollars would make it $1.16 for 2 of them, or 58 cents each, which is still not bad. So I think that's what I'm gonna try. And so with that being said, I'll see you guys at home for the breakdown. Here is our complete haul for today. I didn't mention the Beloved. I got that from Target. Savannah posted that deal. It's a dead deal now because it's not on Ibotta anymore. But I will have a breakdown in the Google Doc if you just want to see what I did. But I did use 2 Target accounts so that I could do the $4 off the candle and the $4 off of the Cherry Blossom body gel. So it was on 2 separate transactions, okay? So that's how I did that. It ended up being like a $5 and like 50-cent money maker, which is really, really cool. But I did fumble that ball. I am not gonna lie with that deal. I fumbled it, and that's why you see the lavender one, because it's supposed to only be the cherry blossom. But I did submit the receipt that I screwed up on to Fetch Reward, and I got the $9. So when I bought that lavender one, I didn't have to submit the receipt because I already had got credit for it. And so I have a couple items I do have to take back. The Pepsi, that's a deal I did at Food for Less, or a Kroger affiliate. There's a digital that makes those $1.49, and so I grabbed 4 of those. I paid $5.96. I did submit the receipt. Well, I did that deal at Food for Less. I wanted to see if the 3 off of 4 printable was going to work. It didn't scan for me, and so I submitted the receipt to checkout 51. It went through fine. Makes them 74 cents each. Now, I also submitted 2 Swagbucks. Hopefully that clears. If it does, it makes all 4 free. I didn't do the Mike's Hard Lemonade because when I was at Walmart this morning, or this afternoon rather, y'all, my Flavor Wiki app wasn't working at all. It just kept scrolling. Not scrolling. It just kept loading and loading and loading. And so I didn't want to do it and it not work. So I will still be getting that probably in my next haul. Maybe I'll go get it tomorrow. But yeah, I will still be getting that. Other than that, y'all, this worked out really, really good. Now, as far as the things I want to try, everything went through on checkout 51. The Pringles, the Pepsi, the Rice Krispies went through. Vital Fusions went through. What else? Everything worked out perfect for this, y'all. I'm just waiting to see if Swagbucks is going to go through since everything is processing. And so with that being said, let's run through this. All right, so everything that you see here retails $202.97. I had $26.97 in coupons or digitals. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $176. My sales tax was $11.07. I'm getting back $79.55 from Ibotta, $38 hopefully from Swagbucks. Checkout 51 is $31 between 2 accounts. Flavor Wiki is $27. Walmart is $16. Fetch Reward was $12. Now I did cash out for PayPal, which I am counting that. It's extra money. I'm gonna count that. And so I'm trying to cash out once a week with that. And so yes, we got back $11.32 there. For my points, it was $6.37. $5 Target gift card. And then Frisbee. I haven't mentioned Frisbee in a long time because it takes forever to actually get to $5 to cash out. But I finally hit it, scanning all my receipts. I even link my Kroger or my Food for Less and my Walmart, and then I just sync them every so often. And so $5 there. Getting back a total of $231.24. It makes everything you see here free plus a $55.24 moneymaker, you guys. When was the last time we had a freaking moneymaker like that? That's so freaking awesome. This is an awesome haul. Super excited about it. Going into summer months, and so to be able to stock up on some snacks here and there, even though my little peanut head don't like none. Well, with Pringles, he'll eat the, well, no, I take that back. He'll eat the Pringles, and he only drinks 0 sugar because that's all I drink. But those Rice Krispies, he not even gonna look at. He might look at, he might be like, oh, that's cool, but he ain't gonna try it. But anyways, so other than that, I will pin a comment and let you guys know what happens with Swagbucks. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. I want to see a basketball in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.